My video tutorial today is about removing the new adware type application that is called GeneralOperation. GeneralOperation is the adware that belongs to the adload malware family. GeneralOperation adware specifically targets Mac computers and Mac-related browsers, Safari, Google, Chrome, but mainly Safari is being attacked, though. GeneralOperation adware is spread through a lot of deceptive techniques. For instance, it may be distributed through fake software or browser update alerts. So, the presence of this application on your Mac is not a good thing for your entire Mac computer. If you have found this GeneralOperation to be the part of your Mac computer, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it as soon as possible. To remove it, you need to check your Finder, check your applications. If you find this GeneralOperation on your Mac, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you find anything else that is suspicious, remove it too. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.